Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Do you own one of these? If so, be sure to clean them on a regular basis.
Unwashed bags can harbor bacteria, which can lead to foodborne illness.
Keep your bags germ-free with these tips. Machine wash cotton, bamboo, hemp, and polypropylene bags, then line dry.
Hand wash nylon and polyester bags with warm water and soap, then line dry.
Wipe insulated bags with disinfecting wipes or wash by hand in warm water and soap, then line dry.
Designate separate bags to use for packing the same type of product.
Place meats in a disposable plastic bag before placing in a reusable bag.
Never utilize bags for other uses, like a temporary gym bag.
Keep bags in a cool, dry place.
Avoid keeping in your car, especially the trunk.
Have a bag that's seen better days?
When in doubt, throw it out.
For more tips to keep your family healthy,
visit bigY.com.